Congress Sarkar is trying to make one thing very clear, that they have nothing to do with the celebrations whatsoever. Leader after leader of the Congress government has come out to suggest that they were not planned in they were not involved directly in when it comes to the planning, nor they were even kept in the loop when it comes to the preparations for the victory event. The government has acted against some of its own police officers, the event management companies, and also the RCB franchise. But now they are all fighting back. One of the police officers, who is Vikas Kumar, was the additional commissioner of police of West Division, has now moved to Central Tribunal over his suspension. Let's talk about the Royal Challengers Bengaluru, because the franchise has now challenged the decision in the High Court, claiming that their marketing head was arrested on the orders of the Chief Minister. Now, when we speak of DNA, which has also moved the High Court and has claimed that it was the Karnataka government which actually invited the guests for the celebrations, and now arrests are being made only to target when it comes to the people and the employees of the DNA networks, the entertainment network. Now, as far as when we speak of the Chief Minister here, he has been saying that there has been no direct involvement and there is no fault whatsoever of his government, and they had nothing to do with the planning of the celebrations, which turned tragic as 11 people, unfortunately, youngsters mainly, lost their lives.
ಈಗ ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಒಪ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಘಟನೆ ನಡೀಬಾರ್ದು. ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅವರು ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರೆಜರರು ಬಂದು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗವರ್ನರು ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ಕಾರದ್ದೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕುಂಭಮೇಳದಲ್ಲಿ 50-60 ಜನ ಸತ್ತೋದ್ರು. ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ ನೀವು? ಅವ್ರು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ರ? ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ? ಓಲಿ.
Well, who will speak to the families who have lost their loved ones, including their children? Will they finally get justice? Because amid the growing outrage over the stampede that claimed multiple lives, the political heat, however, intensifies. What is being learned that the Karnataka Chief Minister will be heading to the national capital. Sources say the Congress top brass has sought for a detailed report on the incident, and a crucial meeting is likely at 11 a.m. when the Chief Minister is expected to brief senior leaders on the sequence of events, administrative lapses, and the way forward. Now, what is being said that the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah would be in the national capital today, as he would be briefing the top brass of the Congress party on exactly what happened and what played out on the day when the stampede was reported outside the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Let's get in a word from Neha, who is joining us live right now. So, Neha, there has been a lot of pressure that seems to be obvious in the manner and way where earlier statements that were given by the top leaders of the Karnataka government contradicting themselves, then later their statements changed. Now, it seems that the Chief Minister would be in the national capital. What's on the agenda?
Well, Amita, that's right. This entire incident has brought quite a bit of embarrassment to the state Congress government in Karnataka, given that, they've been caught quite red-handed there as far as their lapses and, administrative failure is concerned. And today, even as the Chief Minister is now headed to Delhi today to, of course, hold talks there with senior leaders, including Rahul Gandhi and others, they'll really probably chalk out a way now as to how, to, of course, further reduce the damage control that this incident has brought to them. 11 lives have been lost, and most importantly now, in fact, those police officers who've been suspended have also decided to take this legally. They've in fact approached the tribunal there, and if at all, of course, that does rule in their favor, then it's likely to only bring more embarrassment. Here in this meeting, what we're expecting is, of course, a thorough discussion of what really went wrong, how did this happen, and a host of other issues that are likely to be discussed. We'll really have to wait and see that crucial meeting that's been planned in Delhi.
All right. Well, that's on the agenda as far as a possible and likely briefing done by the Chief Minister to the top leadership of the Congress party. Is the party itself in Karnataka has been finding itself in a difficult situation owing to what action it has initiated against individuals coming from different companies and also from its own police. Thank you very much for the moment, Neha, for joining in. With that, we head into a short break.